Good morning, friends. I will be talking on electronic news media in India. So these are general observations. You may agree with me, you may agree partly, you may disagree 100%. But these are general observations. And media is, I am particularly talking about the news media, not entertainment like Sony Max or other. It may be ETV Marathi or IBM Lokmat or Star News, is national as well as it may be regional news. So, we are talking that what is expected from news media, and in India what they are doing and what they should do, and lastly we should summarize. So, what is expected from electronic media? So, media, we suppose that it's a voice of the voiceless people, poor people, common people, and they represent us to the officers or authorities, government, and they help us in policy making or implementation. Second, it can be a tool for growth and development of the society. Then it should spread knowledge, awareness among people, and it may be anything about this politics, social, medicine, entertainment, advertising, marketing, and so on, whatever is there. But it should spread the knowledge and awareness. And they should be responsible to inform and educate. They should not confuse the people, or they should not give false things to people. Now, what they are doing? If you switch on your TV, maybe a Star News or any, it starts with Baba or something. That is not a problem. What we are thinking that what they are focusing, because they are news channels, but they are focusing on rebirth, astrology, religious, Ganpati Devi. In Ganpati days or Durga Devi days, most of the coverage is related to that. Means we forget about what is going on. The myths, beliefs. For example, if there is comet or some eclipse are there, solar eclipse, or then some Baba comes and he tells that in this, don't wear that, and you have to do puja like this, purchase that. They are doing these things. Tantrics, and they are also talking about racism and culture, which I will talk about. I don't want to say that they should not talk about the culture, they should talk about it, but the representation, way of representation is something different. For example, reporting, how they report. We have just discussed about the CWG, Commonwealth Games. Sir had just told us that there is positive side also, there is negative side also. But what they are doing, they are telling us the stories where they are not there. For example, you take the example of the Mumbai attack, terrorist attack. That time, media hijacked people's mind. They were saying, they were projecting that there are more than 100 terrorists, they are doing this thing, that thing. Instead of projecting the statements of Gೃಹ Mantri or police officers, media itself, they were concluding something that 100 terrorists are there and they are doing this and that thing. So they are doing reporting like this. And many times they are showing one side of the coin, just like a CWG game. And sometimes it seems that they are hiding something purposefully or deliberately, or they are reporting biased reporting. So it is something right to know, right thing is also a right. So from this, it seems that this can be a statement which we explain. Now what they should do? They should tell us about the technology and how technology can help to create human resources. They should focus on the development, social, economical development, and they should not forget that the 45% and 50% people are in India are illiterate and poor or below poverty line. There are some problems like daughter killing and population explosion is there. They should not forget this thing. They forget this thing and they press something on different. And they boast that India is a superpower. It seems that when we watch our media, we think that our India is, everything is okay, all is okay. India is progressing. We are economically on some level, like, and they should talk, or they should handle the sensitive issues like Kashmir terrorism reservation policies and Naxalite problems. And they should stop confusing. For example, they said the project that 80% people are working in NASA, they are all Indians. Most of the medical experts in US are Indians. And means कि भाई अमेरिका का हमारे वजह से कुछ नहीं हो, मतलब उनका चलेगा नहीं कुछ. They are dependent on us. They should not do like this.
They are not Indian. काही मग थोडं ऍक्सिडेंट झालेला आहे, बंद करा. ऍक्च्युली चांगल्या नंतर